So guys, bike has almost done near around to 26,000 kilometers. You can see 25,974. That 26 kilometers. That's it. Come here for a shoot. Hi guys. So this is basically a review of honest review of Kawasaki Ninja 300 Rudra. Actually, it has done around 26,000 kilometers. This is related to pros and cons. So related to my fifth and paid service, I will be giving the description below. What about the cost, everything? It has costed me 20,000, and here is the bill in the description. Guys, actually the acceleration of this bike is very quick when compared to other bikes of its kind. It reaches 0 to 100 in 5.5 seconds. Most of the people may be knowing it's almost competitor to like what you call Aprilia RS 457. Even though Aprilia RS 457 crosses the 200 mark, this has touched around 190. But again the problem is same with Aprilia also. They do not have wide network of service. Apart from that, this bike is capable of achieving good speed and it has a very good road grip, but the stock tires have failed my expectation. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So guys, this Ninja Rudra has completed around 26,000 kilometers. Related to pros and cons of this bike, I will be giving a detailed description. So first let me elaborate about the cons. As for the cons are concerned, most of the guys know me. Whoever has seen me in the earlier videos, the bottom side, that's the major drawback. Whenever you go on any hard rock surface area like humps and bumps, it's going to fall. That's the main this thing. Apart from that, I don't find anything else cons. And the main cons, hey Kawasaki India, you need to wake up. You guys have cheated me, idiots, especially the Ride Venture. When once I booked the bike, you people told that you are going to open your service center at Mysore and you have not kept up your words, you have not kept up your promise. I'm totally dissatisfied about that particular thing. I'm totally unhappy. Apart from that, yeah, this Ninja needs to look into this matter very seriously and take care so that they have to expand their service network across India. That's what I expect from that. So as far as the pros are concerned, let me tell you, till now only service costs were involved. Apart from that, nothing were involved. The fact of the matter is that this particular Ninja, they need to wake up, they need to expand the service network. If you people want to buy Ninja of any model, make sure that you have service location nearby every time. Otherwise, 5 times I got it serviced from Bangalore, Mysore to Bangalore. I'm totally unhappy with it. And as far as the spare parts are concerned, let me be very frank and this thing enough. I got my coolant change, brake fluid, front and back, along with the what you call coolant mixed with distilled water. Front brake shoe has worn out. I got it replaced. Rear brake shoe is in good condition. That's fine. Apart from that, nothing has been changed. 2 spark plugs as per their protocol. So totally the bill costed, including service and labor, including chain sprocket, costed me 20,000, which I feel somewhat huge because all of a sudden from shifting from middle class bike to this kind of entry level premium bikes, that I felt the cost is somewhat burning the pocket. It's creating a hole in the pocket. As far as the pros are concerned, let me tell you, it goes like a rocket, especially when you are riding, and the moment you make sure that you are sitting in this particular deck, the moment you are going to duck this, so definitely it's going to cut the wind. This flaring will give you support, and 180 kilometer you are going to make it within no time. 180, and especially I had been to Chhattisgarh. I had traveled most of the North Indian cities like Jaisalmer, Logewala, up to Pakistan border, other things. And the bike has performed very well in terms of speed, acceleration, pickup. And till date, it has not created any kind of ruckus or problems. That's it, guys. Thank you.
Okay.